dito. Amin dito. Alis.
Huwag mahihiyang magtanong kung may extra small ba to. Manahod ka.
Diyan ka, talikod ka. Oh.
Okay, thanks, Floyd.
Hi guys, so say hi to our classmates.
This is our classmate.
Yes, these are our pet peeves.
Yan. Nagkuha namin toga kay Happy.
Align me for our toga.
Yes. Ato sila ang Dailor.
Can you say hi to our vlog?
This is for our YouTube.
And this is us with the vlog toga.
This is us before having our toga. This is us before mamatay sa practice.
Okay.
Yes.
Napagod na kami guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Alagot tayo.
Rika, what can you say about today?
So today is very sad because I found out that my boyfriend cheated on me once again. I mean not
Ex-boyfriend.
Ex-boyfriend. Say it. Say it. Ex-boyfriend. Say it.
But magbalik mo later. How about tomorrow? Are you sure about that? This is Hey guys!
Hi guys, today nag-organize message you
Yes.
for tomorrow's event. You
Yes.
know, like mag-moving up and
Yeah, we are so
mag-graduate.
busy today.
Ay, look at the
Ay,
flower.
look at Katie.
Look at the flower.
Yes, it's so cute.
Bridesmaid!
Ipapasok ni Heart.
Papasok.
Hey guys, this is us before graduating because this is our last day.
This is our last day and minsan ang round fighting. Oh my God, my pearls!
Part 3 na lang. Okay guys, this is part 3. This is our third last vlog together because
Picture daw. Picture practice. Last practice.
sis, last third
After
vlog.
ending, I was asked to ask each
This is us before crying in the graduation.
Yes,
Hindi man sa tiyoy, mga